Hello traders, today is the 12th of November 2010 and we have here the Euro USD currency pair. As we have seen today, the market did pause in this session and then we have this nice move to the upside. Okay, more than 100 pip has been creamed out of this market already. Alright, so now the price testing this resistance zone, which I highlight with my two yellow horizontal line here. The price just come and pop out of my resistance zone. The first attempt right here, where I put here, if you remember our video regarding the first attempt, second attempt, that was the first attempt. We acknowledge that, okay? So we noticed that, okay? We say, all right, you come above it, that's fine, okay? We are the TSTW24 trader. We observe that, and we will pay attention to that and waiting for the next move. So now again, this is the second time. So this is what we call the second attempt, okay? Right now it looks like it's failing again, but there's no rush, okay? There's no rush because we don't want to take part in this kind of blah 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 now. We will watch carefully this zone, okay? But all we want to pay attention to, we know for sure that this line, these two yellow lines are resistance zone. We will monitor that carefully, okay? And observe that. I will show you quickly on my 24-hour chart, the 1440 minutes, my crazy intraday daily chart. Okay, this is what we see on my crazy daily chart. Yesterday we have this a very bearish day yesterday, which was a holiday in Canada, in France, and the US. Okay, usually on the holiday period, the market will trend in one direction. What we usually do, we come in as soon as London open or at 3 a.m. Eastern time. As soon as we locate the direction of the price, we just enter. The best trading system that you can use during the holiday period, when you have a bank holiday in Canada or in London or in the US or in Paris, the best trading system that you can use is the swing 240 trading system. So because usually those particular day the market will trend in one direction, and like yesterday was another day where the swing 240 traders will cream this market. They remain the market nicely, and the TSTW24 traders also will cream it nicely. Master key people will be the first in this movement nicely, and today the movement is going up. But yesterday was what I call the full play. Yesterday the market supposed to go up, okay? The market supposed to go up. Why the market went down? Because most of the smart money did not trade, do not trade during the holiday period. Some of them did not trade holiday period, and like always, the retail traders always go in the opposite direction to the smart money. That's what usually happen. And what the retailers did yesterday, they push it down. You can predict sometime carefully what people are likely to do. That's why we recommend that we trade together, TSTW24 traders, trade together with the professional traders. If the professional are not in the market, go away. If they come together with them. Because our goal is to trade like a pro. That's what we want to do. Follow the pro. Don't trade like a ordinary trader. Don't trade like a amateur trader. Trade like a pro. That's what we are busy working on day in, day out to cream this market together with the pro. Okay, so this is what we see on the daily chart. Yesterday you can see clearly at this level here, you see this hammer here. Okay, this a doji candle green one here was an excellent place to buy, but the retailer decided to go down. Why? Because people were overwhelmed. Okay, first we noticed few weeks ago that we should be looking for opportunity to sell the euro. When the retail market were pushing it up nicely for the professional to sell. You see this red one down, two big days being wiped out in one day. Look at that, down. And the people came back again with this small green one again to buy. Very courageous bull. These people here in this green candle here, they are very, very, very courageous bull. And look what the professional did again. They bring it down again. Look at the wick of this candle. People were again very bullish in this zone. They buy again. What the professional did, they push it back down again. You see, exactly the same thing. So finally, going to the minority, they say, oh, now we have to sell. So yesterday people come in and sell. But like always, the market should breathe in and breathe out. We want the market to go down, fine. But during the downtrend, the market should rally up. That's the healthier things. I will be happy to participate in the downtrend when the market rally a little bit up instead of chasing it to the downside. Okay, but what usually happens, the majority of new traders and other traders, when the market is going down, they are just selling anyhow. When the market is going down, we want the market to pull up. The professionals are so desperate. They're waiting for that rally and the downtrend. That's the best place to sell. Okay, so we were expecting the price to pull up a bit in this region. Okay, in this region, nicely to pull up to give us another entry point because we make some money here. Now, it's not good for the market to go down without any rally. That's not very healthy. Okay, so we are expecting that, but yesterday they push it back down. That's the blah 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 from me. Okay, so it will be nice after today. You see the market rally back up to retrace back to where it was yesterday almost. So we want it to continue either tomorrow. No, tomorrow is not a trading day. Monday and Tuesday. Hopefully by Wednesday, the market will retrace back up nicely somewhere in this region to retest this level. Okay, because why? Because the reason why is that a support level here where the price was consolidating is broken. If I put it like this, you see this white zone. The price was going bum 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 bum. Now it break down. We are waiting for a retest in this zone to see whether this downtrend is valid or not. Always the smart money want to test whether is valid or not. That's the retest. You see here, when a price break above this two white horizontal line, it was a breakout for many. But a retest fell. You see the price came quickly to retest it. This green one here, people try to see that, people think that it's going back up, but it didn't. It fell, went back into the white box. Now we are on the other side of the white box. So the best thing to do is to come back again and retest again the white box to confirm whether the bear are the winners or not. So the retest is so important. Retesting, retesting, retesting. The smart money will not come into the market without any retest. If you're going to invest millions or billions like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, or the big fat wallet, okay, you want to make sure that everything is set correctly for you. That's what's happening. So they are not prepared to chase the price. They are waiting carefully for the best entry point. The same thing if you want to follow the smart money, you will do exactly the same thing. We go back to the 5-minute chart. Enough of my blah blah blah. Okay, so this is what's happening today. So we have again this zone here that we are observing, our warning zone. The price went up above it again for the second time, which is the second attempt. Now people are pushing it down because they are observing this level, also selling straight away. But that's not the best way to do it. Do not just sell because the price is testing the resistance level. As a TSTW24 traders, you have the key to know how to manage this trade carefully in this zone and wait. you know, this is not a bad. It's not ready yet, okay? But people are selling. But there's no rush because if you look carefully today, it's a bullish day, okay? So do not be too enthusiastic looking for a selling because if you look on the daily candle, okay, the daily candle, as you can see clearly, is quite a bullish candle today. Opposite of yesterday is telling us a lot of story. So I will be more into looking for opportunity to buy instead of looking for opportunity to sell in this kind of market. I hope you enjoyed this video that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW24 traders. Thank you.